Hello everyone, the 2023 World Manufacturing Convention kicks off from September 20th in Hefei, China, and will last through September 24th. The theme of this year is Intelligent Manufacturing for a Better Future. During this as the year 2023, major activities are going to be organized over the next few days, including opening ceremony and main forum, exhibitions, theme forums, business discussions, new product and new technology releases, and many other supporting activities. It aims to promote international cooperation and high-quality development in manufacturing industry. The exhibition area is about 80,000 square meters, featuring the latest representative achievements in global manufacturing sector, such as quantum computer, power rocket, 80,000 kilometers per hour maglev train, superconducting cyclotron prototherapy system, and 80,000-ton die-forging press. Dominant industries of Anhui province also make big appearances, represented by new energy vehicles, integrated circuits, and smart home appliances. About the number of exhibitors, exhibition area, and the market-oriented operation degree, this year's WMC definitely sets new records. The convention this year also features greater internationalization. More than 1,200 important guests from the global manufacturing sector are invited to the event, including foreign politicians, diplomatic envoys in China, heads of international organizations, and more than 300 foreign representatives from over 60 Fortune 500 companies and multinational enterprises such as Volkswagen, Siemens, Continental Group, Hefei, and Corning, representing a larger share than its last editions. Since 2018, it has been held for 5 consecutive years successfully, and during its past 5 years, as an iconic open platform of Anhui, China, the World Manufacturing Convention has been committed to promoting the innovation and development of global industries and evolving into the clearest and most direct window to grasp the trend of world manufacturing.